Honorable members, as you will recall, at the last adjourned date on 5th February 2021, the House, pursuant to the adoption of the business statement, decided that Parliament sits on Tuesdays and Thursdays until otherwise decided. The House further decided that not more than 1/3 of honorable members would attend sittings of the House in the chamber at any given time. These decisions were in furtherance of the directive of His Excellency the President in his update, I'm referring to update number 23 on the COVID-19 situation on 31st January 2021, announcing new measures to contain the pandemic. Honorable members, having regard to the upsurge of the coronavirus infection in the House, now reading 17 members of Parliament and 151 staff and ancillary workers in the presence of Parliament, and the fact that the Appointments Committee is yet to commence consideration of His Excellency the President's ministerial nominees, I have, in leadership, decided that the sitting of the House be suspended for 3 weeks. It is hoped that within this period of adjournment, the Appointments Committee will commence consideration and public hearing of the President's nominee for ministerial appointments. By the end of the 3 weeks, the Appointments Committee would have submitted reports on the referral for the consideration of the House. Accordingly, waiting of honorable members of the Appointments Committee, the clerk to the committee, and other supporting staff who will be engaged in the task of considering the President's nominees for ministerial appointments, the House will take a break as from tomorrow, Wednesday, 10 February 2021, to Tuesday, 2nd March 2021. During that period, honorable members are to comply with the strict COVID-19 protocols and regulations. Members and staff should also resubmit themselves to the Parliament Health Center for retesting after 2 weeks from tomorrow to ascertain their status before the assumption of the House. Meanwhile, Parliament will continue with the weekly disinfection and sanitization of the premises and presence of Parliament. Honorable members, the House, accordingly, will adjourn till Tuesday, 2nd March 2021 at 14 hours in the afternoon. The House is accordingly adjourned, and I thank all of you for their attention.